YouTubers. I just did the timing chain and all that because my timing gate guide went. Other videos you saw. Put all new gaskets, new tensioners, oil pan gaskets, everything, the whole 9 yards. Did it myself. I bought all the right tools to do the job. $1,300, a little bit over 1,300. Doing it yourself, buying all the right tools, the crank tools, the camshaft holding tools, all the liquids, fluids, pots, everything. Cost me $1,300. Your quotes of anywhere from $2,300 to $3,000 to do it. And they would have never took the time or the effort to clean it and do the things I did when I was in there. Cleaned all my pots, cleaned everything, make sure everything was nice and done right. Just gotta put my top back on. And just so you can see, she runs. Oh, must have the keys in my pocket. I got the timing right the first time because I used the right tools, which I'm very happy with, because to take this thing apart, I would have flipped if I had to take it back apart. I mean, biggest gripes I had with doing the whole project, this valve cover, which everybody hates, but not so much getting the cover on and off, it was the gasket. With the new gasket, it wants to fall in the back, and you have to just keep playing with it till you get it just on there right, so it doesn't leak. Apparently I finally got it right. The other side wasn't too bad, but that would be a gripe. Power steering reservoir's a gripe, and power steering pump. Minus all that, it was, everything went kind of smooth. It was my first time ever doing this kind of thing. Not motor work, but on this motor, first big job on this one. And that's it, man. She's running, she's purring like a kitten, and I'm a happy, happy camper. I had people tell me to junk the truck too. I definitely threw on a rod bearing and all that, they said, but I didn't. When you're underneath, you can when you're underneath, you can check your rod bearings, and you got a bunch of metal in your pan, and your rods are super loose. I mean, mine moved side to side a little bit, but they weren't, you couldn't move them up or down or anything, so I'm glad I did it. I'm glad I got it done. It took me about 2 weeks. I have kids to watch, little ones to watch, and that's it.